Hello! I want to give you a little rundown on what to expect while you're using the EFT tapping videos on my channel. So first up, the most important part of tapping is we're going to be stimulating acupressure points on the upper part of our body. And so I'll be doing that the whole time with you, and you just tap and copy where it is that I'm tapping on my body. Second, you are going to repeat back what it is that I am saying. So I will be guiding us with different phrases. Some of them are developed to connect to sort of negative thoughts or emotions that are running through your mind. And we will be connecting them with compassionate statements, positive affirmations, in order to get love flooding through your brain. Next, I would love for you to feel whatever it is that comes up, to connect to these parts of yourself which are in need of some love, which maybe you're used to like pushing to the side or numbing or suppressing, but actually to meet these parts of you and to give them some love and support, which is actually what they need for transformation to happen. And this is a massive part of the rewiring part of your brain. And so Carl Jung says, we don't get enlightened by imagining figures of light, but rather by making the darkness conscious. So that's what we're doing with this practice of EFT, is we're connecting to different parts of you. We all have these parts of ourselves that we don't like so much, but we are bringing them to the surface and we are giving them some love. And I will guide you through this whole process. Now, loads of different things can happen when you're practicing EFT. It can be really normal to yawn, which is your brain getting in more oxygen to facilitate with the rewiring of those subconscious blocks. And it's also normal to cry as some numbness wears off and emotion comes to the surface. This can feel so good. So other things, you might feel waves of heat or cold moving through your body. You might laugh actually, and this is all just leftover energy leaving your body. So just let it all happen. You will start to feel calm. You will start to feel more relaxed in your body. People often say that they start to feel more love for themselves, more compassion for themselves. They start to feel stronger and more confident, more positive. And whatever issue it is that you're tapping on, it's gonna start to just dissolve. It's the weirdest thing. It just, whatever it was like a massive thing when you started tapping on it, and then all of a sudden it's just like, whoo, it just dissolves, it just kind of disappears. And then the mind's like, oh yeah, that wasn't an issue at all. You know, but when we started doing the video, it was like, oh my goodness, I don't know how I'm gonna deal with this. So issues just start to disappear. And if you've never tried EFT before, then check it out, because it is the weirdest sensation. Even after 12 years of using this technique, it still floors me that something that's so real and so strong can just suddenly like melt away and not be so much of a big deal. And so you're going to start believing some of the positive affirmations that we're using. You're going to start being more accepting of yourself, more loving towards yourself, which is just like, it just impacts every area of your life and allows you to consciously create a new life for yourself. It benefits you and it also benefits everyone else around you. It helps you be more closer to your authentic self, to who it is that you truly are, to feel more aligned with your soul, to feel more connected and more honest with yourself. Now, here is the drawback. One of the things that you're going to have to battle on this journey is resistance. You're going to want to go do those dishes. You're going to want to go check out other YouTube videos. You're going to want to scroll on your phone. This means the process is working. It's totally normal. What's happening is your brain is actually starting to change, and minds are not used to doing that. So it's like, whoa, whoa, whoa. The mind just wants to stay the same. It's like, I'm surviving right now. Don't throw spanners in the works. Like, I just want to keep things the same because I know how to survive. And if you start changing things up with this EFT and these different thoughts and different beliefs, then I don't know what's going to happen. And so the mind fears change, but I invite you to lean in, because this is good change. Trust me, 12 years of using this technique, working with hundreds, thousands of people all over the world. It really works, and it really does bring true transformation, if that is what it is that you want. Okay, so thanks very much. Remember, we're tapping, we're talking, we're feeling what it is that we're feeling, and we are transforming and we're healing together. We are letting the stress leave our system, and we are having love flooding through our brain and lighting ourselves up on the inside. It is an honor and a pleasure to share these videos with you from my 20 years of personal growth and spiritual transformation and all that sort of stuff. So thank you so much for being here with me.